Well, given the sheer ferocity of this tree shaking, I'm gonna take a wild guess and say I've got a big gar on there, but we'll see. I've had one massive mudfish, what I call a mudfish, both in, and let's see if I can do this one-handed photo. I doubt very seriously this is a catfish. I saw the tree moving as soon as I came around the bend, so let's see. Maybe I can do it one-handed. I imagine he's gonna raise cane. Come here, buddy. Get him up. Yeah, it's a big gar. Let me get y'all a look at it. He's hung up there in the motor. There's a big old spotted gar. And I'll get him off and send him on his way. He's about 3 feet. Anyway, afraid I can't do that in film, so bye, buddy.